I will pre-warn you right now, I'm one of those people that really like stupid jokes. Kind of like, I'm coming at you today with my last project pan of the year. Yeah. Kind of like that. So, you know, the end of the month I'll be like, see you next year kind of thing. So I pre-warn you now. But essentially, if you're new to my channel, one thing I really wanted to do this year is to change the idea of the hashtag 365 days of samples video or series that LS has come up with, and kind of turn it into, like, put my own spin on it really. And the idea is not just to spend all year using up samples, but to use up 365 samples, so one per every day of the year. And we're doing pretty damn good, but it's coming up to the very end of the year and I'm like right around like that 330 mark by how many I've used up. So we're really close, and being so close, I'm not about to lose. So this is one last kind of like holiday sample panning project just to make sure we really do hit that 365 day goal, or 365 sample per day goal. Now I'm just getting tongue-tied and kind of lost in thought. But anyway, so the idea behind this one was to still kind of keep it festive, given that it is December and it is holiday season. So everything that I put into this is going to be either red, white, gold, or green, just to kind of keep with those festive colors. So let's get into the products. So the only product in here that is not a sample size is the Colourpop Lippie in the shade Dazed. This is in a matte finish. So there's actually not much of this one left, but essentially I just kind of wanted to throw this one in there so that way I would focus on a nice colorful lip for the holidays. I sometimes get too caught up in the mattes, or not the mattes, in the nudes, that I don't really venture out. So this way I have something to focus on that keeps me going for like a pop of color. And plus it's red. Next, this one, I'm not really sure how to say this because I want to get all fancy and I pronounce every single letter in it, but I'm going to go with, this is the Bvlgari Eau de Parfumee the Vert. Essentially this is just a shampoo and shower gel that we got at a hotel, but last time I checked, Bvlgari is a luxury brand, I do believe. So again, it's one of those, catches your attention to get this at a hotel and be like, damn, that's pretty awesome. So my goal is to finish that one up. Clearly, my goal for all of these is to finish them up, and that's also including the Mericer Caviar stick in the shades Moonlight, which kind of looks like a bronzy gold. We have Amethyst, which is like a dusty purple, and then Tuxedo, which I'm thinking is supposed to be black, but it kind of looks like a green charcoal on the paper. And I'm also not really sure how these bubble sockets are supposed to work, given that the idea of the product is to kind of draw on your eye with it. So that's okay, we'll give it a shot. It's not really the type of product that I would go for, but it doesn't hurt to try, because the worst it can do is change my mind that I don't like products like that. So, well, on to the next products. They are, you've seen me talk about these many a times, and this is the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Nightly Repair Mask. I absolutely love these. Perfect for protecting against windburn, perfect for after your skin feels just so parched and giving it something nourishing. Absolutely love these. Those would be super easy to go through. Next we have the Origins Plantscription Powerful Lifting Cream. So not only can you glow to the gods with your highlighter, but you could be lifted to them as well. I don't know, I'm probably not going to see much out of a sample like this, but if Origins says it's going to lift me, you do you, Origins. And last but not least, the last two products. This is probably like the most festive packaging out of all of it. This is the Joico K-Pac Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. I used this a little while back and my opinion of it was not so great. I have 2 packages of it left, and why not use them up? So essentially this is supposed to be a really deep enriching conditioner. You leave it on for 5-10 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, sorry, and then you rinse it out. And when I rinsed this out last time, it felt like I had such a residue that even when I woke up the next morning, I had to rewash my hair. So who knows, maybe I just really shittingly washed my hair that day. I have no idea, but we're gonna give it 2 last goes. Yeah, and then hopefully it's a little bit better than it was last time, and if it's not, then we don't ever have to try it again. So those are the products that I'm going to be using up. I'll probably finish this hopefully around Christmas time. So fingers crossed, and if we do, that'll hopefully put us closer, or maybe push us over the edge of 365. We're gonna get there. Failure is not an option at this point. We are gonna get there. So I will see you guys around then, hopefully with some confetti guns, maybe some glitter guns to celebrate. So thanks for checking in, and I will see you then. Bye guys.